Welcome to the exciting world of 3D printing. Imagine having exclusive access to unique designs and comprehensive tutorials each month. Our subscription service makes this a reality for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Each month, we curate high-quality 3D printing designs that push the boundaries of creativity and functionality. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, there's always something new to discover. Why keep experimenting alone when you can join a community of like-minded creators? Along with designs, our subscribers gain access to step-by-step tutorials that make complex projects approachable. Consider the wealth of resources available to enhance your 3D printing journey. Books like 3D Printing, The Beginner's Guide, provide foundational knowledge that's perfect for newcomers. For those who prefer interactive learning, podcasts like The 3D Printing Nerd offer insights and tips from experts in the field, bringing the latest trends and techniques right to your ears. Visual learners will appreciate our curated list of YouTube tutorials. Channels like 3D Printing Nerd help transform their instructions into vivid demonstrations, making the learning process both informative and engaging. Our service also taps into powerful AI tools, such as Tinkercad and Fusion 360. These platforms allow you to create intricate designs with precision, providing a seamless bridge from concept to creation. To ensure you're well equipped for this journey, our subscription includes discounts on courses from top educational platforms like Coursera and Udemy. From beginner basics to advanced techniques, elevate your skills at your own pace. Join us and turn your 3D printing aspirations into reality.